If you're getting a real Christmas tree this year, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. From choosing the perfect one to setting it up safely, to keeping it fresh and beautiful all season long. Natural Christmas trees are one of the best parts of the holidays, and with a little know-how, they can look amazing from the day you bring it home till well past Christmas. When you walk into a lot full of Christmas trees, it can feel overwhelming. There are so many shapes, fragrances, and species. But choosing the right one becomes easy once you know what to look for. First, think about the shape and fullness that you prefer. Grand firs are known for their incredible fragrance and soft, dense needles. Noble firs have that classic layered look with sturdy branches that hold heavier ornaments. Fraser firs hold their needles incredibly well and have a naturally even shape. They're also slightly narrower than other firs, making them an excellent choice for cozy corners and smaller rooms. Nordmann firs offer rich color and low drop needles, perfect if you want something more tidy. And cultured Douglas firs bring that classic fluffy Christmas silhouette that people love. No matter the type, the most important step is checking the freshness. Run your hand gently along the branch. The needles should feel soft and stay in place. Lift the tree from the bottom and give it a light shake. Only a few loose interior needles should fall. If a rain of needles comes down, try another tree. Also, check the trunk. You want it straight and at least 6 inches of clear trunk at the bottom so it fits easily into your stand. If you're still looking for the perfect natural tree, come visit us at Wildwood Outdoor Living. We just stocked up on fresh, locally grown trees. We'll help you choose the perfect tree, give it a fresh cut, and make sure you head home with a tree that's ready to shine all season long. One thing that many people don't realize is once the trunk is cut in the field, the trunk begins to form a natural seal over the bottom. This seal is just dried sap, and once it forms, it blocks the tree from absorbing water. Even if the tree looks fresh, if that seal stays in place, that tree won't be able to drink and it'll dry out much faster. That's why a fresh cut is so important. Here at Wildwood, we cut the base of your tree right at the time of purchase, removing that sealed layer completely so the tree can hydrate again. Because we do this for you, you don't need to recut the trunk at home. Just make sure to get your tree into water as soon as you arrive, ideally within an hour. If the bottom dries out again and forms a new seal, the tree stops drinking, and no amount of water afterwards will reopen it. A simple fresh cut and quick hydration will make a huge difference in how long your tree stays green, soft, and fragrant. A sturdy stand will make your life so much easier. Choose a stand that matches the size of your tree and one that has a large water reservoir. Real trees drink a surprising amount of water in the first few days. Place the stand where you want the tree to live before you set it inside. Then position the tree in the stand and tighten the screws evenly, adjusting until it stands straight from every angle. This part takes patience, but your ornaments will hang beautifully if the tree is truly upright. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more gardening and seasonal tips. Once your tree is standing, the goal is to keep it hydrated and away from things that dry it out. Check the water level daily. A good rule of thumb is simple. Never let the water fall below the base of the trunk. If the bottom dries out, the tree stops drinking permanently. When your tree is standing and in water, you can also give it a little extra support. A product called Keeps It Green works almost like vitamins for your Christmas tree. You mix it into the water in your stand, and it helps the tree absorb moisture more effectively, which can extend freshness and slow down the needle drop. Wilt-proof is also incredibly helpful. It creates a gentle, breathable coating that reduces moisture loss from its needles. It's especially great for pieces displayed near heating or outdoor wind, helping them stay vibrant for much longer. Place your tree away from heat sources like fireplaces, heat vents, and direct sunlight. Even a small, warm draft can dry out the needles faster. LED lights are ideal because they don't heat the branches. If your home is naturally dry, a nearby humidifier can help the tree stay fresh for even longer. With good care, most natural Christmas trees easily last 4 to 6 weeks. The key is consistent watering, cool placement, and starting with the freshest tree possible. If you follow these steps, your home will smell incredible and your tree will last all the way through to New Year's. When the holidays wind down and it's time to say goodbye to your natural Christmas tree, there are a few easy steps that you can follow to make cleanup smooth and stress-free. First, remove your ornaments, lights, and any decorations while the tree is still upright. This helps control the fallout of the needles. Once everything is off, it's normal for the tree to shed a bit as it dries, so having a plan for cleanup makes a big difference. Here at Wildwood, we carry Christmas tree skirts and removal bags, and it is incredibly helpful. You simply place the bag underneath your tree at the beginning of the season, hidden under your skirt. Then when it's time to take the tree out, you just pull the bag up around the trunk, wrap it, and carry it out with almost no mess. It keeps the needles contained and also protects your floors during the process. When the tree is wrapped and outside, make sure to check local recycling programs. There are usually several drop-off or chipping events where trees are turned into mulch, a great way to keep your tree in the natural cycle. Avoid putting it in the regular garbage if possible. Almost all natural trees can be recycled. Once the tree is gone, you can vacuum up any stray needles, give the sand a wash, and store everything for next year. And that's everything you need to know about choosing, setting up, and caring for a natural Christmas tree. A little attention goes a long way, and the result is a tree that fills your home with beauty, fragrance, and warmth all season long. If you made it all the way to the end, leave a tree emoji in the comments below. We love to see who stays for the full video.